Right, so this is number 48, which says find k if the curve y equals x squared plus k is tangent to the line y equals 2x. So I'm going to draw a little picture of this. X squared plus k would be basically a parabola that's either been shifted up or down k units. So let's just assume that the k is positive and it's been shifted up a little bit. X squared plus k. And then y equals 2x would be line passing through the origin with a slope of 2, right? Now, when a line intersects a graph, it's important to understand that the line and the graph have two shared pieces of information at the point of tangency. Number one, they share a y value because they each pass through the point of tangency. And number two, they share a slope at that point. So the slope of the line will be the slope of the curve at that point. So if I use the fact that they share a slope, the slope of the line y equals 2x is 2. And the slope of the parabola at some point, by the way, that point right now, we don't have a name for it. So we probably want to go ahead and give that a name. We don't know what the x value is, so let's just give it a letter name. How about a? And then it will be f of a, because you plug that a in, right? So the graph would have a slope of 2 at the point of tangency. So the slope of the curve, you'd start with the actual curve's function. You take the derivative, and then you would plug in the x value which you'd like to find the slope, which in this case is that a. Let's clear that notation up. All right, so the slope of the curve is 2a, and the slope of the line at the same point is 2. So that tells you immediately that 2a equals 2, which implies that a is 1. So the point of tangency that we have has an x value of 1, okay? So now we know what a is. A is 1. Now we need to find what k is, because that's what the problem is actually asking you to do. So we can use the other thing that the line and the graph share at the point of tangency, which is the y value. Now, since that point is at 1, on the line y equals 2x, the y value is 2. Clearly, you plug 1 in for x. And then, on the actual graph, x squared plus k at x equals 1, that would be y equals 1 squared plus k, which is 1 plus k. Those y values are shared, so I can set those things equal to each other, and then solve for k. So, k is 1, and that's number 48.